In 2017, by the Chinese government, taken away to my sister in concentration camps. Until now, I don't get any information about her. And I am also a Turkish citizen, and me and my sister is Turkish citizen, so I want my government to rescue my sister because my sister is innocent.
Ne istiyoruz? Türkiye mevzuatına göre
What we want is for Turkish legislation to recognize universal jurisdiction. According to Article 13 of the Turkish Penal Code, torture, genocide, rape, crimes against humanity can be prosecuted in Turkish courts and criminals can be tried. First of all, we demanded an arrest warrant for the people we accuse for these crimes, because these crimes are still continuing. We know that millions of people are being held even now, and we want the trial to immediately start and the criminals to be brought to court.
çıkarılmasını istiyoruz.
Biz tatavımız yaptığı vaktimizde asla ve asla iş bozuk için